78% of people are living paycheck to paycheck right now. Not broke people, not homeless people, working people, people with jobs, maybe people exactly like you. And that's not even the most shocking stat I'm about to show you. In the next 4 minutes, I'm going to show you numbers about the average person's money that will either wake you up or confirm your worst fears. Stay with me, because stat number 4 almost broke my brain. Let's get into it. Stat 1. The income illusion. Okay, first stat. The median household income in the US is around $56,000 a year. Sounds decent, right? But here's where it gets interesting. After taxes, rent, food, and a car payment, the average person has less than $500 left at the end of the month. $500. That's it. That's your margin for error. And most people don't even save that. They spend it. Because we live in a world designed to take every single dollar from you the second you get it. Now here's what nobody talks about. The top 1% don't earn more. They own more. There's a massive difference between earning money and making money work for you. We'll get back to that. Stat 2. The debt spiral. The average American carries over $6,000 in credit card debt. And the average interest rate on that debt? 22%. 22%. Do you know what that means? If you only make minimum payments, it takes over 17 years to pay off $6,000. And you'll pay almost double what you borrowed. Let me say that again. You borrow $6,000. You end up paying $11,000. The bank makes $5,000 off of you for nothing, just for lending you your own future. And the scary part? Most people have this debt and a car loan and student loans all at the same time. That's 3 leaks in the same boat. Stat 3. The savings crisis. Okay, stat 3. Are you ready for this one? 56% of Americans cannot cover an unexpected $1,000 expense without going into debt or borrowing money. Not $10,000. Not $50,000. $1,000. One car breakdown. One trip to the ER. One broken phone. And more than half of the country is in financial trouble. And here's the thing that hit me hardest. These aren't people who are failing at life. These are people who went to school, got jobs, did everything they were told to do. The system just doesn't leave room for savings. Stats 4. The retirement bomb. Now, this is the one I warned you about. The average American retires with less than $87,000 saved. That sounds like a lot until you realize at normal living expenses, that money runs out in under 3 years. 3 years. And the average retirement lasts 18 to 20 years. That means the majority of people will either work until they physically can't, depend on Social Security, which pays an average of $1,700 a month, or rely on their children. That's the real retirement plan for most people. This is not a personal failure. This is a systemic design, and knowing it exists is the first step to escaping it. Let's talk about the turning point. So here's the flip side. The same data that shows us how the average person struggles also shows us exactly what the people above average are doing differently. They invest early. They avoid lifestyle inflation. They treat savings like a bill, non-negotiable. And they build income streams outside of a job. The gap between the average person and financial freedom isn't talent. It's not even income. It's information and the habits that follow. The stats I showed you today, they don't have to be your story. If this video opened your eyes, even a little, drop a comment below, telling me which stat shocked you the most. I read every single one. And if you want to know exactly how to start getting out of these stats, I made a video right here that breaks down the first 3 steps. Watch that next. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one.